You have to understand, these codes were found before Trump was elected. Trump will cancel the agreement with Iran. Iran is at the top of the page. And the word Cyrus appears. Trump, Cyrus, Donald, Iyar, that's the Hebrew calendar months for when he was elected. Here's another one. Trump, Donald, lover of Israel, U.S., will be elected 5777, which is 2017, when he was inaugurated. The president, chess fan, elected November 8th, the second month Hebrew calendar. In the plain text, it says that. Here's another one. Donald, United States, Cyrus, president, chess fan. So the interesting thing about the Cyrus thing, Donald Trump is the 45th president. In Isaiah chapter 45, it says, "Thus saith the Lord to his anointed, to Cyrus." It's just the creepiest thing. "Whose right hand I have held, so to subdue the nations before him, and to loose the armor of kings, to open before him the double doors, so that the gates will not be shut. I will go before you." And then the Trump codes, gematria for Donald Trump, and the Torah code, when he attended the Paris conference, the words Paris conference, gematria is 777. The date of the Trump inauguration was 1/20/17. Trump's birth was 6/14/46. This is 70 years, 7 months, and 7 days from his birth, 777. The Hebrew year that he was inaugurated was 5777. I mean, you can't make this stuff up. And then just recently, here we have Kanye West hugging Trump in the Oval Office and just inflaming the Democrats. And when I first saw this, I teared up. I go, it's like the Words Project. It reminded me of that. Like, this is kind of stuff that would happen to us. It's just amazing to me. And I don't care if Kanye's half crazy. Doesn't matter. You know, you just got to overlook that stuff. All right, now here's the dangerous codes that Rips found. He didn't even want me to show this to people at first. I said, well, we already know. It says, D. Trump, the name of his assassin, president. So Glazerson happened to be in LA, and I said, hey, we got to find the name of the assassin in this table somehow. So he came over to my house and worked on it, and I put it up on my monitor, and we both looked at it, and he came up with this table. So it has the same things Rips found, D. Trump, name of the murderer, and underneath it said Michael. I go, okay, who's that? So then we had to figure, oh, there was this guy named Michael Sanford in Las Vegas that grabbed the security guy's pistol and tried to shoot Trump. Remember that? There he is. Michael Sanford arrested. And he was in a Torah code table. So now he's jailed over plan to shoot Donald Trump. But on top of that, we got all these crazy people, you know, rape Melania, Kathy Griffin, who's totally, you know, lost it. It's just beyond anything I've ever seen in my life, what's happening. So this is really something that, the way that this ended, I ended up getting this table, this is Professor Ripsey.